Now we're headed to the third and last company, man, Copperhead Brewing. So let's go. Alright, Kinfolk, we're here at Copperhead Brew Company. So let's go check them out. How the hell did you see that, Juan? What? The sign. I didn't know what the hell I was looking at. Alright, Kinfolk, well, we're here down at Copperhead Brew Company here in Conroe, Texas also. And so I actually ended up getting the American IPA. Really good beer, man. And then what'd you get?
Get a red lager.
Red lager.
Really good.
So it has more of a lighter flavor, but just a darker color?
Yeah, darker color.
That's what he was saying? Yeah,
really good.
Yeah, nice. And then you, Jay?
Got the blonde lager.
Blonde lager. Yep. Very nice. This one here, man, the IPA is
a red ale. Sorry about that.
Red ale. Okay. Yeah, this one here is hoppy, man, and got some tart to it, but it's really good. Really, that's what I enjoy about it. So let me show y'all a little bit around that.
Sweet dreams are made of it. Who am I to disagree? Sweet dreams are made of it. Who am I to disagree? Sweet dreams are made of it.
Kinfolk, well, we're about to head out, man. This is it. This is the third stop. Copperhead Brew Company, man. I want to say thank you to my brother for coming out and hanging out with me, man. Juan already left, so thank you, Juan, for coming out and hanging out. And also iRocker C, man. So we're actually going to head back to the house. What we're going to do is we're going to end up this video is going to be separate, man, and then the interviews that I got are going to be a separate video. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the interviews. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get one from B52, man. The lady that they told me to talk to, unfortunately, was not there at the time we were there. So maybe I can go back and get one from her later on. But it was still an awesome brewery. This whole trip was amazing. The guys here at Copperhead Brewery were outstanding, man. The people were killer, super nice. The brewmaster slash co-owner that cat there, Mr. Seth, was a great guy, man. So make sure y'all come check him out. If anything, at least just follow him on Instagram and Facebook, man. Along with Southern Star, Mr. Ben, they gave us a tour. I appreciate it, Mr. Ben. Thank you so much, sir. You guys were amazing, and that is a nice truck. And the breweries around town, man, these guys have got such a great friendship, man. It's amazing. So make sure y'all check everybody out, man. B52 Brew Company, Southern Star Brewing Company, and Copperhead Brew Company, man. Make sure y'all check everybody out on Instagram, on Facebook. I'll link them down below on Instagram for sure. And let them know Knuckles sent you, man. So if y'all get a chance, come out here and check out everybody, man. It's been just an amazing trip. It's been an amazing trip and been such an experience, man. So until next time, Kinfolk, make sure y'all, like I said, make sure y'all check out the interviews. The interviews are going to be a separate video. JMax 707 Alpha Core, I hope y'all enjoy the brews that I'm sending y'all, man. They were made with much love, man. So and then until next time, Kinfolk, much love, much respect. Knuckles out, man. Ah, got him. Much love to my brother, man. He's always down for everything, man.